Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 6 book. Today I will start the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is King Thutmose and the Sphinx. So Thutmose meaning is a king of Egypt, and Sphinx is an imaginary creature with lion's body and a person's head. That is called Sphinx. Across the Mediterranean Sea lies the sunny land of Egypt. So across the sea there was a sunny land, means a land which was bright with sunlight, of Egypt. Its greater river is the Nile. So it is the greatest river was the Nile. If you were visit to Egypt and follow the valley of the Nile, you would come to the pyramids. So if you would visit to the Egypt, and if you will follow the valley is called a low area of land between hills or mountain in which typically with a river flowing through it. That is called valley. So if you will visit the Egypt and follow the valley of that Nile, you will come to the pyramids. Pyramids is a large structure which is built especially in an ancient Egypt that usually has a square base and 4 rectangular sides meeting at a point, and that contains tomb. That is called pyramids. These are tombs built long ago for the kings of Egypt. The largest tomb of all is known as the Great Pyramid. So this tomb was built long ago for the kings of Egypt. So tomb is called a large hall, typically an underground one for burying the dead. And the largest tomb of all is known as the Great Pyramid. So the largest tomb is also known as the Great Pyramid. Close beside the Great Pyramid is a huge stone lion with the head of a man. So close to the pyramid there is a huge stone lion with the head of a man, and head is of a man. This lion is called the Sphinx. So this lion is also called the Sphinx. For 5,000 years it has stood there. For 5,000 years it stand over there as though watching over the tombs of the kings. So it was as if it is watching the tombs of the kings. The face is that of an Egyptian ruler, and the face is of an Egyptian ruler named Khafra. Khafra is the Egyptian ruler. The face is like that, who had the Sphinx carved out so that the people in times to come might know what a great king he had been. So the face was of an Egyptian ruler named Khafra. Khafra was an Egyptian king, and who had a sphinx carved. Sphinx was carved there. Carved means cut or engraved to produce an object which is design or inscription. So it was carved so that the people in times come to know what a great king he had been. Means he was a very great king. People came to know. More than 1,000 years ago, after the times of Khafra, there was a prince in Egypt whose name was Thutmose. So more than 1,000 years ago, after the time of Khafra, there was a prince. There was a prince in Egypt whose name was Thutmose. The name of the prince was Thutmose. One day he went out hunting. So one day he went for hunting and rode so fast, and he was riding on so fast, so far that he left all his friends behind, and he was riding so fast and so far that he left all his friends behind, and at last he came to the Sphinx. So that's all.